I don't know anything about that so far.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie to you. Medyo ako nagagalit din kung gaano katagal
Opo.
ang progreso nila sa Patapat. It's taking way too long. Way too long. And alam mo, gaanong oras na lang natitira sa termino ni Pangulo? 2.5 years. We don't know if the next president pupuntahan nila yun. So, dapat tapusin na talaga nila. And I can show you the text messages. For 1.5 years, kinukulit ko na yung DPWH. Anong update? Anong update? Sir, matatapos na, matatapos na. Yeah. Medyo pikon ako dun sa nangyayari dyan. That to me is a sore spot. So kailangan natin ayusin. I'm actually meeting with Sec Vince next week tungkol dyan. Hopefully we can get his commitment na bago matapos termino ni Pangulo ay matatapos na din yung viaduct. Kasi flagship project din yun eh.
Yes.
Flagship project and talaga kailangan ng tao. So sana naman kung sino mang contractor nila doon ay mag-aayos na sila. Let's see. I'm not sure kung pinasa na ng Senado, but once it's passed in both houses, siguro we can expect in the next, I want to say 20 to 30 days, mararamdaman na ng tao bayan. I don't think so. I mean, there was a suggestion na only suspend para the profits of the tax sila lang hindi kayo subsidy. Pero in my opinion, mas instant yung pag-suspend ng tax. So, it's a cost-benefit thing, but that's just my opinion. Nakakatuwa na maraming nakadalo rito. I hope mamayang gabi tuloy-tuloy yung mga games. And nag-enjoy talaga yung mga tao, ang ating mga kakailian during the first season. So, itinuloy talaga natin. Hopefully, this season is better than the last.
So yung bilang, sir, kayo ay positibo na may bilang kayo sa mayorya?
Yes, of course.
Again, hindi naman ako nakiusap sa mga miyembro, hindi naman ako nagtatanong. I don't think we're at that stage yet. No? Again, it still has to be referred to the floor, to the Committee on Justice, and bilang majority leader, hanggang dyan ang aking trabaho. So, may tiwala naman tayo kay Chair Jinky Luistro, who is the chairwoman of the Committee on Justice. So it will fall on her and its members to ascertain the merits of the said complaint.
Sir, lastly, message ninyo sa mga taga Ilocos Norte.
Ay nako, unang-una.
It's been a while.
Yeah, miss na miss ko talaga sila. We've been busy at the house. But any opportunity that I have to come back, I always do. And rest assured na tuloy-tuloy ang serbisyo this 2026.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Ragsak kapag nagkasangay mo, Majority Floor Leader Sandro Marcos, sapay ko man, nainayon ng basit, ipasensyang Benyami, tuluyan na kami, natantarabayan, kinikikan di tulong para naging distrito mi, naging nadumadu mga pagsaatan, not only in La Union, but the entire Region 1, Tintintero nga Pilipinas. Agyaman kami manan, Apo, the unending support, and of course, yung tulong mo Benyami, not only as a colleague, but as a friend as well. Again, happy birthday, Boss Santo.
Happy birthday, Majo. I wish you the best. I wish you good health. I wish you, prosperity for this year. Maraming salamat. Thank you for all the support you have given us. You have given me the best, Majo. Happy birthday.
To the youngest and brightest Majority Floor Leader of the House of Representatives, Boss Sandro, happy birthday po sa inyo. Mula sa mga batang tundo, unang distrito ng lungsod ng Maynila. Narito po kaming lahat, bumabati ng isang maligayang kaarawan sa isa sa pinakamagaling na congressman sa 20th Congress. Kaya muli, happy birthday po, Boss Sandro Marcos.
sa murang edad, nabigyan ka ng pagkakataon na maging majority leader at nagampanan mo ito ng buong husay at tapat. At talagang dyan kami humahanga sa iyo. Hindi ka lamang naging majority leader sa atin, kundi naging isang matalik din na kaibigan. Maraming salamat sa suporta. Maraming salamat sa tulong. Again, Jo, happy birthday. At sana gabayan ka ng Panginoon at bigay lahat ng hinahangad mong kaligayahan sa iyong buhay. Maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, Majority Leader Sandro Marcos. You're officially out of the Roman calendar. You're 32 years old. Very young. You've accomplished a lot. I've seen you develop in the past few years. And truly, I'm amazed with the young man you have become. Continue to love the country, continue to fight for your family's legacy, and continue to serve the people of Ilocos Norte. So, Sandro, happy.